Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by measuring ingredients precisely because candy is chemistry. Combine sugar and 1/4 cup water in the pan and stir briefly to wet the sugar. Do not add coconut yet. Once the sugar dissolves, clip the candy thermometer to the pan and increase heat to medium-high so the syrup can reach the soft crack stage. Meanwhile, melt 2 tablespoons butter and have the shredded coconut in a bowl. Make sure your oven mitt and spatula are within reach. Timing is critical. Once syrup hits 150 degrees 155 degrees C, remove it from heat to prevent burning. The soft crack stage yields a brittle texture. Immediately whisk in the butter to loosen the caramel and then add the shredded coconut, folding quickly so each strand is coated. You want even distribution rather than clumps. Next, pour and scrape the hot mixture onto the prepared sheet and spread to an even thickness. Thin equals crisp. Make sure to work briskly because the caramel sets fast. Use a wet offset spatula to smooth if needed. Let the spread cool fully at room temperature until it hardens, then lift the parchment and break the brittle into pieces. For storage, use an airtight container to keep humidity out. If your brittle is chewy instead of crisp, you can reheat gently to 150 degrees C or bake the pieces for a few minutes to evaporate excess moisture. Make sure to watch closely. If bitterness or burnt flavor appears, the batch is beyond salvage and should be discarded. A small sugar crystallization sometimes yields to adding a splash of water and reheating carefully.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.